yet never left son again and again. When Christmas was so much like another in those years around the sea town, corner now and out of all sound, except a distant speaking of the voices I sometimes hear a moment before I sleep. But I can't never remember whether it snowed for 6 days and 6 nights when I was 12, or whether it snowed for 12 days and 12 nights when I was 6. All the Christmas rolled down toward a two-toned sea, like a cold and headlong moon, bundling down the sky. That was our street, and they at the rim of the ice-edged fish freezing waves, and I plunge my hands in the snow and bring out whatever I can find, and goes my hand into that wool-white bell-tongued ball of holidays, resting at the rim of the old carol-singing sea, and out come Mrs. Prothero and the free man. It was one afternoon of the Christmas Eve, and I was in Mrs. Prothero's garden waiting for cats with her son Jim. It was snowing. It was always snowing at Christmas, December, and my memory is what wild white land below. There were no reindeers, but there were cats, patient, holding cows. Our hands wrapped in socks. We waited to snowball the cats, sleek and long as jaguars in horrible weekend, spitting and snarling. They would slink and slack over the white back garden walls, and but lynx-eyed hunters, Jim and I, bird captain, Macassin and trappers from the Hudson Bay, off Mumbles Road, would hurt in deadly snowballs at the green of their eyes. The wise cats never appeared. We were so still, Eskimo-footed, Arctic marksmen in the muffling silence of the eternal snows, eternal ever silence. Wednesday, that we never heard Miss Prothero's first cry from her igloo at the bottom of the garden, or if we heard it at all, it was to us like the bark off the challenge of our enemy and prey, the neighbor's poplar. A cat was soon, the voice grew laughter. Fire, cried Mrs. Prothero, and she beat the dinner gone, and we ran down to the garden with the snowballs in our arms toward the house. The smoke indeed was pouring out of the dining room, and the gong was bomb-laden, and Mrs. Prothero was announcing ruin like a town crier, and promptly there was better than all the cats and whales standing on the wall in a row. We bounded into the house, laden with snowballs, and stopped at the open of the door, a smoke-filled room. Something was burning all night. Perhaps it was Mrs. Prothero, who always slept there after midday dinner with a newspaper over his face, but he was standing in the middle of the room saying "A fine Christmas" and smacking at the smoke with a slipper. A call of the fire brigade, cried Mrs. Prothero as she beat the gong of a bomb, taking hits from the jiggly-puff bomb with teeth and jaw and pass it along. There won't be there, said Mrs. Prothero. It's Christmas. There was no fire to be seen, only clouds of smoke, and Mr. Prothero standing in the middle of them, waving his slipper as though he were conducting to do something, he said, and we all threw all our snowballs into the smoke. Then we missed Mr. Prothero and ran out of the house to the telephone box. Let's call the police as well, Jim said, and the ambulance, and Ernie Jenkins. Oh, he likes fires. Fire, rat, bird, for ether. Fire, rat, bird, for ether. Side of my head, the voices begin. There stopped speaking again and again and again and again and again. Almost around in my head, I'm hypnotized in a trance. Hearing the lyrics again, I'm hypnotized in a trance. Hearing the lyrics again, keep echoing in my head. Never stop speaking again. Damn it, I said. Are they speaking poetry again? I hear them in my head. They keep speaking again. I keep hearing them in my head speaking again. Side of my head, the voices began. I said again and again. What must be wrong with me? The voices began for eternity. again and again. As this vocabulary is manic, but not committed to cases, but education, psychology, competence, but validity, and library, saying, who element, random, Wisconsin, agriculture, and plan, shows, but returns, for competence, docentism. Or frost could rhyme them 8 times, yet they would not wither. But Sakaki leaves, standing in the prime of life. See the priestess of gold. How it rises full upright. The mere mountain where we see the years foretold, 1,000 years of the Lord. Even the gods cannot conceal their delight for the 8 Kasaj maiden dancers on the joyous occasion. And the same cup can be seen a light serene, so have no fear. I would have no dust can ever cloud the shining brightman wishes are fulfilled. And these are Russian waters of the God, whose divine descent provides mankind with a lordly boat to cross to a third shore, because the frost was settled within the shrine grounds on Menmaro mountain. There are no evergreen branches unadorned with wild festoons. I wonder is the Kami who illuminates the sky, aware of my Lord long and prosperous reign. Oh, the joy upon hearing the miraculous deer are still there on the mountain, clear vestige of the Masaka Kakasaka. If there is a God who waters rice beds of the Milky Way, please stop it up and let it rain down upon the earth. Haven't you heard the bird is the word? Haven't you heard the bird is the word? I'm speaking of inside of your head, David. Don't you hear the lyrics echoing? Go fast chariots. I am going back to where the ruler of way lives to consult him. The horse keeps wandering, and when will I reach Zaho? The Daphis went wandering, but my heart is filled with worries. There is no person that thinks I am good, yet I cannot go back. A person doesn't think very much of me, but my thoughts haven't changed. You do not think of me as good, but my thoughts for you would not cease. I will climb up those hills and collect the plants to make medicine to cure my worries. A woman has a lot of thoughts, and they all go their own ways. The people of Zoo worry about me, yet they are childish and mad. I went out into the wilderness and noticed wheat not reaped because of the political situation. I should try to report it, yet who should I tell it to? To all the high officials, do not say I work wheat. I have so many thoughts, but it is not anything compared to where I am trying to go. Well, go tell the Spartans passerby that here obedient to her laws we lie. Why I cry, only God knows why. Only God knows why I cry. The rhymes won't stop if I cry, and only God knows why. Tears of sorrow and of suffering flowed from Queen Kasutle's eye, and she saw the part and Sitta for her blessings drawn and nigh, and she clasped the gentle sits, and she kissed her moistened head, and her tears like summer temps choked the loving words she said. Part we, dear, devoted daughter, to thy husband ever true, with a woman's whole affection, render love to husbands due. Faults are woman loved and cherished, gentle in her speech and word, when misfortune's shadows gather, who are faithful to their Lord, who through years of sunny splendor smiled and passed up livelong day, when misfortune's darkness thickens, from their husband turn away, who with changed fortune, change and oft, ignore of a playful word, and forget a woman's duty, woman's faith to wed and lord, who to holy love and constant from their wedded consort part, manly deed nor manly virtue, whence the changeful woman's heart, but the true and the righteous woman, loving spouse and changeless wife, faithful to her lord, and a consort holds him dearer than her life, ever true and righteous Sita, follow still my god-like son, like a god to thee, and Rama in the woods on the throne, I shall do my duty, mother said the wife with wifely pride, like a god to me is Rama, Sita shall not leave his side, from the moon will part his luster, ray I part from wedded lord, from faithful wife's devotion falter in my deed or word, for a stringless lute is silent, idle is the wheelless car, and no wife the loveless consort, and auspicious is her star. Small the measure of affection, which doth a statelier and brother prove. Measureless to wedded, a woman is her lord, and husband's love, true to law, and true to scriptures, true to woman's plighted word. Can I ever be my mother faithless, loveless to my lord? Tears of joy and mingled sorrow filled the Queen Castellet's eye, as she marked the faithful Sita, true in heart and virtue high, and she wept the tears of sadness and sweet obeisance to why I cry, only God knows why. The rhymes will never stop. Why I cry, why I cry, God only knows why. Only one that knows why is God, and I don't know why. Only one that knows why is God, and I don't know why I cry. The voices won't stop. I cry, I'm spitting the endless rhyme. Love's greatest gift is its ability to make every vein it touches a sacred, immortal love, forever full, forever flowing, free, forever shared, forever whole, never ebb and sea. We love with a love that was more than love. The heart's not like a box that gets filled up, it expands in size. The more you love, love is not a mere sentiment, it is the ultimate truth at the heart of creation. Death leaves a heartache no one can heal. A love leaves a memory no one can steal from an Irish headstone. A vein of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases. It will never pass into nothingness. What is love? It is the more than the evening star. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. So I love you. Because the entire universe conspired to help me find you. Love can't touch us one time and last for a lifetime and never let go till we're gone. Why I cry? Oh, maybe you love me when I'm gone. Hold me when I'm here. Love me when I'm gone. Hold me when I'm scared. I won't always be there. Just rejoice every time you hear the sound of my voice. Just know that I'm looking down on you smiling, and I don't feel no pain. Baby, don't feel no shame. Just smile back. Maybe you love me when I'm gone. 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 Well, just rejoice every time you hear the sound of my voice. Maybe you love me when I'm gone. Hold me when I'm here. Love me when I'm gone. Hold me when I'm scared. I won't always be there, so baby, just love me when I'm gone. Take a hitch from the Jigglypuff bomb. The cheats and charm, just pass along that Jigglypuff bomb. Bum bum da dum dum da dum. Pass me that Jigglypuff weed. Come take a hit with me. I'm smoking that Jigglypuff weed. Nan, look at me. She leans forward in her chair, sweaty palms and fightful eyes. Her focus is all on the screen in front of her. She doesn't blink as the blocks fall down. The peace she desires doesn't come, but 1,000 years have taught her well. With that patience yield results, the peace comes, and the slam it into its proper place. From the battlefields to the video game tournaments, Athena reigns supreme. Again inside of my head, the voices begin echoing inside of my mind. The never-ending rhymes all day and all night. Corrida, meet me on the way as I came from the train. Her face was anything but gray and back suggestive pain. Oh, hubby dear, she cried, I've awful news to tell you. What is it, darling? I replied, your mother, is she well? Oh no, it's not that, it's something else, she wailed. My heart was beating pit-a-pat, my ready vices paled, like lightning flashing heaven's dome. The fear within me woke. Don't say, I cried, our little home has all gone up in smoke. She shook her head, oh no, a swift I clasped and held her to me quick, I gasped. Believe me, it is best. Then she spoke in mid sobs. I caught their words of woe divine. As cook has gone and bought a new hat just like mine. There's a spitting rhymes all day and all night. The endless rhymes. What must be wrong with my mind? No, Bill, I'm not spooning out. I'm not spooning out no patriotic toast of a cove behind the sandbags ain't a death of a glory cuss. And though I straps am good and hard, I doesn't ain't the blotch. I guess they're mostly dissent, just the same as most of us. I guess they loves their homies and kids as much as you and me. indeed, rhyming again goes to dip inside of my head. Lyrics begin again and again, never ending. I said, lyrics begin. What must be wrong with my head? Life lift thy head, unhappy from the ground. Thy neck upraise. This is Troy. No more. No longer am I a queen and about their fortune. Change endured by lot, sail with the stream, and fellow fortune's tack. Steer not thy barque of life against the tide, since chance must guide thy course. Me, what else but tears is now my hapless lot, whose country, children, husband, we are lost. The high blown pride of ancestors, how cabined, and now how brought to nothing. After all, what one must I suppress, or what declare, what a plaintive dirge shall I awake? Oh, woe is me, the anguish I suffer lying here, stretched upon this pallid heart. Oh, my head, my temples, my side, could I but turn over and heat now on that and this, and not to rest my back and spine while ceaselessly my tearful wall ascends, for end is music to the wretched, to chant the cheerless dirge of sorrow. Tomorrow, a great sorrow saying pardon to the beat. Tomorrow, rapping again inside of my head. The voices begin again and again. There's that echoing in my head. I can't believe you were no one to build me up and tear me down like an old abandoned house. What you said when you laughed just left me cold and without a breath. I felt 1,000 way too deep. I guess I just let you get the best of me. May I feel said, I'll squeal, said he. Just once, said he. It's fun, said she. Indeed, there's a spit into me. And then speak in nursery for all of eternity. I guess it's me. A black ringlet curls to lie at the nape of her neck. Glistening with sweat in the evaporate moonlight. This is what I remember, and now that I cannot forget. And tonight, if I have forgotten her name, I remember rigid wire and white lace hath impressed in her flesh. Out soft cries like regret about the enameled white clips of her bra strap. Still incredible dimpled marks that my kisses erase. How that I have forgotten her face when I touch you now. Oh, sweet lover, full of fire, melting like ice in my embrace. When I part with delicate white lace, barren pale flesh, and your face is so close that I breathe your breath, and your that surrounds me like a wreath. Tell me how, oh sweet lover, and good faith, are you the thief who has stolen my heart? Well, come to me, fall tonight in the twilight of the full moon, rising spectral and ancient. Will mutter a prayer, gather your hair and pin it up, knowing that it will release it at a moment and anon. We are not the one, nor is there scripture to sanctify nights you might spend in my arms, but the swarms of stars fallen above us reveal tonight the most ardent of lovers, without the drama of cymbals on the fanfare and snares of drums. I present my case, stripped of its fine veneer. Behold my instrument, play for the night is long. Puff-on, taking hits from the jiggly puff-on, just pass it along with Cheese and John. Taking hits from the jiggly puff-on, take a hit, I go to sleep, rest in peace, R.I.P. Just pass me that jiggly puff weed. Come take a hit with me, I'm puffing on the jiggly puff weed. Indeed, a friend with weed is a friend indeed. A left and hook and to do no good. Once when her kisses were fire incarnate and left in their imprint a bright lipstick and flame. When her nose rose and fell over smoldering dunes, leaving me lifelessly sighing her name. Once her breasts were as pale as beguiling was as wan rivers and sand, shedding heat like a mist. When her words would at times softly, mildly rebuke me, all the while as her lips did more wildly insist. Once when the thought of her echoed and whispered through vast wastelands of need like a Bendian chant. I ached for the touch of her lips with such longing that I vowed all my former vows to recant. Only once something bloomed of the desiccate seed, the implausible blossom, her wild reigns of kiss and creed. When there's a spitting indeed, but at 6:30, feeling flirty, put on the hurdy-gurdy, but Miss Purty and alert why kicked me where I'm sore and hurty. The moral of the story to avoid a fate as gory, a flirt with gals, a bit more worry, but wonder of kiss is the next will be better, if less memorable, and what's forgettable this, that somehow, although you just met her, and the exchange of electric eyes, love came, an electric sunrise, with the smell of a cordite hair, and a warm wool sweater, and then implied, blossomed, use any excess, a static too light, the fuse, a bumble-fingered, a bra strap cinch, refuses to budge an inch in either direction. Who ever prepared to be so stymied? A smile, lean back, drag, relax a while from practicing perfect. I'll leave you to the jaybirds alone. Yes, tomorrow she'll answer the phone. Show up for your first real date. Late, breathless, and browless was she indeed. There's a spitting indeed for all of eternity. What must be wrong with mine? The lyrics and rhymes are stopped inside of my mind. The infinite lyrics and rhymes. Again, I said, the lyrics are echoing inside of my head. Just never end, I said, again and again. They would give it all for their story to cross the night, for love to finally pass history. They love each other, but they ask themselves if that's enough. It's necessary to love so much, to hope so much. Life becomes itself of another life. It's a flower after the rain, a fire in the dark. Tonight the world is so close to happiness. He holds in his heart two lovers with eyes full of hope. The world is so close to happiness. To the end of the night, there is life that brings us a little closer to one another. I would do it all for our story to escape the boredom. Beyond the walls of time that passes, I love you, and I never know if that's enough. I'm so afraid that one day love will tire all my life. I wanted to be in your life, and I hear and I cry. A child is born, they would give it all for their story to cross the night, that at the end of brightest flowers grow. They love each other, holding in their arms the love of their life asleep, so close to happiness indeed. Well, no, rhyming for eternity. There's that bit I said, the lyrics begin inside of my head, never gonna dance again. These broken beats just ain't got no rhythm. And it was easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. I should have known better than to cheat a friend and waste this gift that I've been given. And it was easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. I should have known better than to cheat a friend and waste this gift that I've been given. Drowning in sorrow because you are leaving me. I jumped in too soon as I fell about. Will you toss me a life ring or a concrete block? Both are solutions to my current state of mind. Or we're losing you. The first prolongs it, the latter ultimately brings on my demise. I need to purge this constant feeling of longing for something that's gone. The stagnation mode compromises my future and pulls me under. So just hold the ring and let the concrete block sink. I'm fine on my own. I want for nothing. I'll seek others to swim with. I'll float without you. I'm here without you, baby. You're still on my lonely mind. I think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby, but I think about you all the time. I think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. While I cry, I can't stop spitting infinite rhymes. You're cute when you smile. You stole my heart, but I have decided to let you keep it. Whenever I picture myself happy, it is with you. I did not choose you, but my heart did. You make me melt like a popsicle on the hottest day of the year. You do not cross my mind because you are already living it. I will never give up on you because I love you, and I will never give up on us. I can't remember how I ever lived without you. You make me laugh even when I am not even trying to smile. But I am so lucky to be in love with my best friend. You are my love, my laughter, my happily ever after. If kisses were snowflakes, then I would I send you a whole blizzard right now. Wow, how I want to make you happy, you as happy as you make me. Let's have dessert first when you get home today. Meet me in our bedroom. I love you more than Oprah loves her favorite things. I love you more than a mouse loves cheese. I love you more than hot chocolate during the Christmas season. And there's that, well, please tell me why the lie and the bleed and the screaming was tearing me apart. The hatred, deceit, then disasters all over now. It's over now. Paint the mirrors black. Don't forget your face. I still picture your face and the way you used to taste. To this all was nothing. To you this was all just nothing. Why there ain't nothing to you? Tell me why I cry. Can't stop hearing random rhymes all day and all night, burning like fever in the spring. Our love affair was on the wing, then drifted away on the summer wind. Now I'm thinking of you, how good it used to be, holding on to precious memories, and every teardrop has a tale to tell. Every teardrop fills a wishing well, changing like autumn leaves at the fall. Your love, it comes and goes, then melts away with the winter snows. And I'm dreaming of you, things we used to do, holding out for those eyes of blue. And every teardrop it binds reminds me of every little teardrop brings me back to you. That I could save a worst end of the heartbreak at summer's end. There's that rhyme again inside of my head, got so cold, but no one wants to blame. It's all so wrong, but who am I to say? Who am I to say? I run with the warrior inside. My dominance can't be denied. Your entire world will turn into this battlefield tonight. To look upon you for the warrior's eyes. Now you'll feel the fear as I fucking turn this world into a battlefield tonight. Spitting rhymes at the rhymes. What is wrong with my mind? Let's take a little blast to the moon, baby. Where you when I was down, staring into the dead. My pain is called out my pleasure. My soul will always remain in your body. Just can't get you out of my head. And the voices begin. Let's stop spitting again. Well, I will never stop rhyming inside of my head. When your heart is broken 1,000 times, is that enough? Is that enough? And in the end, the love you take is equal to the love you make. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Love isn't something you find. Love is something that finds you. A love painted a rose, and the world turns so sweet. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. There are only two things that I want to be in love with, now and forever. I want to be in love with you now and forever. To love is to burn and to be on fire. Where are we? In love we seem to ourselves quite different from what we were before. What's flowing from the Polonian shore, spitting rhymes forevermore and evermore. I'll stop rhyming nevermore, rhyming forevermore. I'll stop rhyming nevermore. I'll rhyme forevermore and stop rhyming nevermore. Happy is the man who has broken the chains which hurt the mind and has given up worrying once and for all. The greatest blessings of mankind are within us and within our reach. A wise man is content with his lot, whatever it may be, without wishing for what he has not. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for the things which he does. On rhyming indeed, friends show ever love in times of trouble, not happiness. One of the most beautiful qualities of true friendship is to understand and be understood. But I know infinite wisdom, but there's a rhyming inside of my head. The voices begin again and again and again and again. They're ending. I said, whoa, maybe you'll let me when I'm gone. Maybe you'll let me when I'm gone. Just rejoice every time you hear the sound of my voice. Just know I'm looking down and you smiling, and I don't feel no pain. So baby, don't feel no shame and just smile back. Maybe you'll let me when I'm gone. Maybe you'll let me when I'm gone. Maybe you'll let me when I'm gone. Well, help me to seek, for I lost it there. And if that ye have found it, ye that be here, and seek to convey, and secretly handle it soft, and treat it tenderly, or else it will plain and then disappear, but rather restore, and mannerly, since that I do ask it thus honestly, for to lose it. it sitteth me too near. Help me to seek at last, and there is no remedy. But have I thus lost it willfully? I wish it was a thing all too near, all too dear, to be bestowed, and wist not where it was mine heart. I pray you heartily, help me seek. Come live with me and be my love, and we will all the pleasures prove that hills and valleys, dales and fields, or our woods and sleepy mountain yields. And we will sit upon the rocks and see the shepherd feed the flocks by shallow rivers to whose vales falls melodious birds. See magic gulls. All I will make the beds of roses and 1,000 fragrant posies ring around the rosy. Oh, my love's like a red rose that's newly spread in June. Oh, my love's like the melody that's sweetly playing the tune. As fair art thou, my botany lass, as deep in love am I, and I will love thee still, my dear, till the sea again dry, till the sea again dry, my dear, and the rocks melt with the sun. I love thee still, my dear, while the sands of life shall run, and fare thee well, my love, and fare thee well a while, and I will come again, my love, though it were 10,000 miles. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one singular web, but I walk to you if I had no other way, babe, over the mountains, over the waves, under the fountains and under the graves, under floods that are deepest, which Neptune obey, over rocks that are steepest. Love will find out the way, when there is no place for the glowworm to lie, when there is no space for receipt of a fly, when the midge dares not venture, let herself back she lay. If love come, he will enter, and will find out the way. You may esteem him a child for his might, or you may deem him a coward for his flight. But if she won't, like both honor, but be concealed from the day, see 1,000 guards upon her. Love will find a way, and you may train the eagle to stoop to your first, and may engage the phoenix of the past. The lioness you may move her to give over her prey, but you'll never stop a lover. We will find out a way. If the earth should part him, we would gallop it over. If the seas should over overthrow him, he should would swim to the shore. Should his love become a swallow through the air to stray, a level lent wings to follow, and will find out its way. There is no strength in to cross his intent. There is no contract in his plots to prevent. But if once the message greet him that his true doubts stay, death should come and meet him, love will find a way. There are two birds, the one when light first strikes the new awakened sense, the other when two souls unite, and we must count our life from thence. When you loved me and when I loved you, they're both of us were born anew. Love then to us new souls did give, and the souls did plant new powers. Since when another life we live, the breath is his.